Welcome to Corrugated and Folding Carton Live, Meet the Leaders. Today we have Mr. Vijendra Sharma, MD BHS Corrugated India Private Limited. BHS is a company which has over 300 years of experience in the global market for corrugators and has a direct presence in over 20 countries with a global market share of 50%. Welcome Vijendra to Corrugated and Folding Carton Live.
Thank you.
Vijendra has a history of working in multiple domains like printing, packaging, office automation, and telecom industry, and is a skilled business strategy, planning, operations, management, and sales, plus customer relationship management consultant. He is heading the organization for a complete operation in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka for BHS.
Well, as you mentioned, we started 300 years old, basically. We are a German multinational. And we are into corrugation manufacturing since 1962. So, and we always proudly say that BHS is having around 55% global market share. And in some countries, you won't believe, like in Australia, we have even 80% plus market share. So, in order to cover Asian countries, we started our journey in Shanghai in 2003. And in India in 2010. And within a period of 17 years from 2003 to now, we have our presence in all Asia Pacific countries, be it Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Korea, Thailand, I will say everywhere. BHS India, we started in 2010. Actually, we are a 100% subsidiary of BHS Germany. Last year we did some expansion also in our office, and now we have a 4,000 square feet new office area in central Pune with a seating capacity of around 50 people. Currently we have 20 plus employees, and I can proudly say that we have a very solid infrastructure to support our customers locally. To support this complete Asia Pacific region, we have established a new big spares warehouse in Singapore in 2018, and we have a new corrugated roll manufacturing facility also in Malaysia in 2018. Look, what our PM says always, Mr. Modi, he says, Atmanirbhar, self-reliance, and that's how we are working. So BHS India is completely Atmanirbhar now. We have, as I mentioned, 20 plus employees, and all are qualified and experienced enough. It's a team of sales, service, project people, and we have presence everywhere across the India. We are operating from Pune, means we have a headquarter in Pune, but virtual presence is there in Pune, Nagpur, Delhi, Greater Noida, Bangalore, Kerala, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. So we have only one motto: closer to our customers to support them better. We have a headquarter in Pune, but virtual presence is there in Pune, Nagpur, Delhi, Greater Noida, Bangalore, Kerala, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. So we have only one motto: closer to our customers to support them better.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. So as a German global brand, how is BHS responding to the new normal due to COVID-19 situation?
Look, as we all know how it started, yeah. And so what we did, as I mentioned, that we have presence in almost all the countries. So what we did that we formed a committee having very senior members globally and locally also, means with all the branch offices also, wherein we are sharing all the informations with our employees, what's going on, how to do it, what are the do's and what are the don'ts, how to take care of the situation. And we are flashing daily newsletters to all our employees that how to operate in these new normals. So this is one we are doing at a global level. At our office also in Pune, we are taking all the precautions, but on the other hand, we belongs to a corrugated industry, right? Which is basically relates to essential commodities. So we have to support packaging customers. So from the day one, even though the lockdown was there, but we were supporting our customers. Our all facilities are operational from the day one. Our spare parts warehouse, stock point in Asia countries, is also giving 24/7 support. And our engineers also, they are supporting customers. They're traveling to them. Whenever our customer need us, we're traveling. And from the day one, actually, we had all the things like e-passes and everything. On the other hand, to support our customer, we have to equally care for our employees also. We are responsible for them. So what we did that, BHS India, we did an additional COVID insurance policy for all our employees. Not only employees, even we covered their family members also. And it was in addition to a normal, regular family float or mediclaim, which is already there with all the employees. So we added this, COVID insurance cover, and we heard a lot of things like some salary cuts, some jobs are going, but we have not done any salary cuts. We are gone very normal. You will be surprised to know that we did our salary increments also in the month of May, and those were not token salary increments as per the performance of the last year. Very routine salary increments, including promotions. So we believe that we have to take care of our employees during this time, and we are doing that.
Great, that's very nice to hear. Can you share some information on the product lines and how it differentiates from its competitors?
We have we have a very complete product portfolio, right? Which ranges from, if I talk about decal, from 1.8 meter decal to 2.2 meter, 2.5 meter, 2.8 meter, and 3.3 meter corrugators. So basically, this product portfolio is there to support all the customers in the world. Whatever they want, as per their requirement, we can supply. And we have these corrugators available in different speeds also, like 150 meters per minute, 180, 230 meters per minute, 250, 300, 350, 400, even 450 also. So we have almost everything. It depends on what fits better to a customer. So we can give the customized support, right? Customized product. But we believe in productivity with quality. And that too, very important thing is process support. See, in this corrugation industry, for a corrugator, average speed matters a lot. And that's called true productivity. So we have corrugators in India doing average 150, 155 meters per minute on a steady line, whose maximum speed is 180 meters. And same way on an eco-line product, which the maximum is 150 meters, while we are achieving many customers 120, 125 meters per minute as average speed. That matters a lot. And same way on our Study S products, which is the maximum speed at 230 meters, we are achieving 195, 200 meters also. So average speed, what we can get, is the real productivity. And we really perform here very well. And why this is possible? Because we have very robust training systems for customers, their operators. We have 24/7 technical support. We have local service. Our engineers are very closer to our customers. And by doing that, we are maintaining very high uptime. We are doing a lot of production process trainings also, a lot of maintenance trainings also. And yes, automation is the key here. So here, basically, we differentiate from our competitors.
So in the coming times, how do you see digitalization and automated processes impacting the productivity of customers, and what kind of a role do you see BHS playing in delivering this?
Smart factories are the integral part of Corrugated 4.0, and digitalization is the key. And being, global market leader, This is our responsibility also to contribute here. I will just give you one example. We have a iCore system. It's basically a corrugator is connected to a cloud-based system wherein we can analyze even more than 3,000 inputs per minute from the corrugator. And by doing that, we can do a predictive maintenance, not preventive maintenance, not corrective maintenance. This is predictive maintenance. We can predict the failure before it happens. And hence, we can alert the customer to prevent a breakdown. So there are a lot of automation in our machines, like automatic temperature control, automatic quality change, automatic warp control. So basically, we contribute significantly in producing quality at a very high speed, or I would say at very high average speed. And of course, less wastages. You know, we have a machine inside our corrugator called Silitor Scorer. That's having the fastest order change in the industry. So customers can run n number of short orders very comfortably with BHS. So as you mentioned that how basically digitalization and automated processes. So we feel that, you know, by putting a lot of processes, a lot of automation, we can reduce wastages. We can reduce, you know, a lot of errors which are done by humans. So so BHS is committed here, and with these iCore systems and others automations, we are really contributing here.
Recently, BHS was ranked and awarded top 100 mid-tier company. Tell us more about your nomination and the awards.
Actually, it happened in Germany, basically. That award was given to BHS Germany. And they consider the companies who will be having more than 1,000 employees locally, means in Germany. So they were eligible to participate. So we have more than 1,000 employees in BHS Germany. We participated, and the category was basically innovative processes and organization. So based on that, we were judged, and we are very proud that we got this award. So we are in top 100 companies of that middle segment, and you know, this award was given to our managing directors, Mr. Christian Engel, Mr. Lars Engel, and as well as Mr. Ludwig Biller, who is the mayor of Weihama. He also received this award because our factory is in Weihama city.
Is there any message that you would like to share with the industry using corrugated and folding life platform?
We all understand this is a very tough time, very strange time. None of us ever experienced this, you know. So, but I believe there is always a way, and this time will also pass. Look, probably we have to think out of the box, new strategies, new business approach with positivity. My only submission is that we must keep our employees happy. We should keep their morale up. We have to be more caring. It is a test of our inner strength and values. We have to be positive and optimistic. That is the only way out. But yes, on technology side, I would say automation, optimization, and local service infrastructure. This is the key during these challenging times, and also for the future. I remember somebody said in Urdu, जब भटक जाता है रास्ता कारवां, वहां से भी निकलती हैं मंजिलों की राहें.
That's very nice. Thank you, Vijendra, for sharing such insights, and thank you for your valuable time today. Until we meet next with another corrugated and folding carton expert at Corrugated and Folding Carton Live, meet the leaders. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.